This is Cruising Cash, and today we're going to be installing the new winch.
Well, right now, Cruising Cash, we're giving him a little bit of time off to go ahead and play his newest edition of a video game. So you've got me, boring dad, to at least get you started on the installation of the new winch. We'll make him do some of the hard parts later. So first thing we've got to do is we've got to install the control box on top of the SmittyBuilt winch. So what we're going to do is basically put it on top of right here and use a, well, I'm using a 3/32 Allen wrench. And then ultimately what we're going to do is basically loosen these up enough that I can get these components down. So that way we can get this thing underneath and center it up.
So the hardest part is getting that screw in to the L.
Just getting into that right angle. It's like it doesn't want to catch.
I'm just shaving off a little angle.
Yep. Hopefully that'll make all the difference in the world. I thought we'd have to drill on the first step.
That part right under there is what he's trying to catch, getting under the lip.
Just trying to get a decent angle. I think I got it. Don't pull it.
Okay. I wasn't sure if that give you more space.
Nope. It's all your fault.
My fault.
Appears to be working.
Yay! The drilling works. Cash Daddy had to drill on the first step. First step.
I tell ya.
The first step trying to get in there. It took like 15 minutes and finally he was like, I'm gonna go get the drill.
Step one is done.
Yay!
The hardest step.
Step one is the hardest step.
Well, they don't manufacture the thing to go on like that. Yes. All right.
What's step two?
Step two hopefully should be easier because it's just simply taking cables marked A, B, C, D to over here where it says A, B, C, and D. Okay, next up, I'm going to install the winch. So, winch plate. It's up there. That's it, winch. Goes on top of winch plate.
Easy enough. You gonna grab this big thing?
That's right.
Do you want help grabbing that big thing?
No, I can get it.
You sure?
Yep.
Oh, look at those muscles.
That's right.
She's gonna be very pretty in there.
Very much so. Let's get her positioned over it. There you go.
I like getting those muscles on people.
I know. They're right. Ooh. Like it.
It's like flex that forearm, baby.
That's right.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Trying to.
You know, how many times did you think you'd have a video of you working under a car?
That's true.
And now you have multiple.
That's true. All right, those two are good. Let's try to get a couple more here. Look at the other side. Next up,
Yep.
put the winch plate on. Well, not the winch plate, the cover plate, the face plate on.
Okay.
Right there. Easy peasy.
All right.
Next up is to feed through the electrical wires, which are real simple because you're going to feed them up underneath and into the engine.
Oh. Do I need to get a step stool to reach them for you?
You might need to. A lot of people say take off the air box, feed them up through here, up to the battery.
Okay.
But I'm thinking about being difficult. All right, let's go ahead and fish these lines up. You don't want to touch anything or have the cable up against anything that's going to rub or get hot. So we got to find that perfect spot right up the middle. It helps with two people.
Hey, Dad, what you doing?
Just finishing up connecting the power cables. All we got to do is connect negative to the negative and positive to the positive.
Nice.
All right, last step of the process. We got cruising cash recording right now. We got to spool this thing up, but they need 1,000 pounds of force against the line in order to spool it up. So, connect it to the Durango, right? Let's go ahead and do that. So we'll go ahead and put it against this, like that. And now we'll connect the rest of the line back to the Jeep.
Make sure to subscribe and comment down below.
Yes. Good job, buddy. This burns my hands. All right. How close do we need to get? Whoop.
Oh man, we like totally aligned it.
I was so close.
Ready?
This is Cruising Cash. I know my dad did all the work, but that's how you put a winch on.